Pyynikki Park and Observation Tower in Tampere, Finland. Pyynikki has been a park and place of natural beauty since the 1830s, and the first cafe within Pyynikki was opened in 1868. The first observation tower was built in 1888 by the design of the architect Georg Schreck, but it was damaged in the 1918 Battle of Tampere. Rebuilding plans started from 1925, and the new tower and cafe was opened in 1929 for the city's 150th anniversary. The opening ceremonies were postponed due to the sinking of the steamship Kuru, which caused the loss of 136 lives. In the late 1960s and 1970s, the city of Tampere built the modern Näsinneula Tower, which replaced Pyynikki's role as a tourist attraction aimed at foreign tourists, leaving Pyynikki mostly for local visitors and other Finns and as a hidden gem for foreign tourists. Pyynikki Observation Tower is listed as a cultural environment of national significance by the Finnish National Board of Antiquities. The Pyynikki Observation Tower is a 26-meter observation tower in Tampere, Finland. It was completed in 1929 by the design of the city architect Vilho Kalho, and built using local red granite. The tower stands 75 meters above the level of the adjacent Lake Pyhäjärvi on the Pyynikki ridge crest. The top can be reached by a lift, but walking up the stairs offers various observation windows. The open top offers a clear view of the city of Tampere as well as Lake Näsinneula on the north and Lake Pyhäjärvi in the south. Entrance to the park and cafe is free, but climbing the tower costs 50 cents for children or €2 for adults. The cafe has its own historic donut recipe which has remained unchanged for 80 years. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.